So let's see how we can set up the application quickly so that we can begin to make use of it as it is currently. So first of all, you need to log in as an admin or manager or somebody who has privilege to access the back office. Go to the back office by clicking on it. You will see the dashboard, of course, at first, which shows you the statistics of your business. On the left hand side, we'll click on the menu, we'll click on clothes. Under this clothes, we have types and parts. It's the same thing as styles and measurement parts. Styles is the kind of cloth you sew, you make. For example, you make blouse only, you make trouser, you make gowns, you make skirts, the different kinds of things you get to be made. You add them here. These ones are just for demo. You can be deleted and you add yours. So to add, you click on add, and then when you click on add, you enter the name. Code is just any character. You can leave it and the system will generate one automatically. And if it's a male or female dress, you select here. If you want to add an image, you select the image, and then any notes, and then you submit to save it. So this active is to make it active so that you can make use of it at the POS, point of sale transaction, or to deactivate it if you no longer want employees to access it. So enter the name of the style here, and then, which is the most important thing you need to enter. In fact, the only thing you need to enter that you need is the name. The code is optional, image is optional, note is optional. So name is most important. Now after you are done adding the clothes, let me cancel to go back. You can see the existing ones that has been added here. When you are done with this, now for that cloth, you come to add measurement parts, which is that cloth part. These parts are the parts you measure to make that item, that cloth. So look at, for example, I've added blouse, and for this blouse I added waist, arm length, hips, just randomly. It may not be accurate. And the same thing for gowns. You can see bust and all this also. So you add all the parts by just clicking on add. When you click on add, you select the type of garment here that you're adding the parts for, and then you select the parts you want to add. Let's say you want to add waist. For this, you select waist, which is again the second most important thing here, the name and the type of clothes you're adding this measurement part for. These parts are the parts that you measure when you want to process this cloth type. So you measure the waist, so you add waist. As many parts of the body you measure, you add them one by one. You only do this once. Once you set this up once, you don't do it again, except you want to add another kind of garment or another kind of style. So these things are done just once. Once you set them up once, you don't do it forever again, except something has changed and you want to add that change. That is all. So for this first time, you take time to set it up, and after that you don't do it again. So once we are done adding all the styles, that is practically all you need to do here. The type of style you want to add, you add it under cloth types, and then the parts you add it under measurement. The parts you measure to make that style, you add it under parts. I hope this video is clear. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to make a booking when a customer walks in. Thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.